Silver Futures. In this video, we're going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We have now reached to pause MACD and we're approaching to overbought levels with the RSI. As we extend that to the 4-hour chart, we are slightly in pause MACD and we did bounce right off the 100 moving average, this orange line, at a price of $27.75. As with the daily chart, we still remain in pause MACD and we're slightly off of overbought condition with the RSI. We're still resting right along the 18-day moving average, this purple line, at a price of $27.68. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $24.87, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $25.69, and my stop loss is at $24.71. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $26.19, and that is this range there. My sell target for it is at $25.04, and my stop loss is at $26.36. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, Silver Futures has a 75% chance to climb between 0 to 2.6%. To the downside, it has a 25% chance to fall between negative 2.7% to negative 5.2%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.